What's up athletes? Welcome to this 5 exercise to prevent lower back pain video by CureFit. This is Rahul here and I have Nikki with me. Together we will guide you through this workout.
We are excited to bring you this 5 hand-picked workout movements that prevent your lower back pain. This video can also be done by people who are currently experiencing some lower back pain. You can perform these 5 movements and trust me, this will help you reduce your lower back pain. The best part is that you don't need any equipment, your body weight is completely fine to do all these workouts, and let's start.
Alright guys, let's begin with the first movement, which is Sphinx pose. Down on your chest, your elbow stays just below your shoulders. Starting from here, you can drop your knees and feet on the ground. Starting from here, you're going to lift your chest off the ground and roll your shoulders back, and you will get a great stretch on your lower back and on your upper abdomen. You will feel that stretch and just do the normal breathing, and you will hold there for 60 good seconds. Yeah, let's do this, Nikki. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Yes. Hold there for 60 good seconds. Feel that muscle getting engaged. Feel the stretch on your upper abdomen. Feel the stretch on your lower back. And you can just breathe, do the normal breathing, and you can just hold there. An amazing movement to prevent the lower back pain.
Keep going, guys. You don't have to look all the way up. Just keep your neck comfortable, in a comfortable position. Stay there. And don't hold your breath. Keep breathing.
And also guys, if you want to make this movement a bit more challenging, you can bring your elbows off the ground and increase that range of motion, and you can just hold there for 60 good seconds. As I told you, just breathe, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest up, feel that stretch on your lower back and on your abdomen, and you can just stay there for 60 good seconds. I think we are almost there. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we are done.
Okay guys, the next movement is called cat and camel. So how you set this up is you get down on all fours from here. Your palm should be right under your shoulder, knee in line with your hip. From here, you're gonna breathe in, flexion, get your head inside, breathe out, extension, and look up, okay? Hold it for 2 seconds and then move to the other one. Okay, we'll start in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Flexion, head in, and extension. Breathe out. Slow and controlled movement. No need to rush.
Do not go with the full range of motion. Just go as much as your body allows you to. And guys, keep your elbows completely extended or softly bent
for you to get that good stretch on your spine.
Working on your lower back and your upper back.
Keep going, guys. This is a very good movement for your lower back.
Focus on your breathing.
Inhale when you round your upper back. Exhale when you
Extend when you arch your upper back. Good stuff, guys.
Few more seconds. Almost there. Last 3, 2, 1.
We are done.
Good job, guys. Moving on to the third movement, Superman.
Alright guys, Superman, the points of performance. Back again, down on your chest. Starting from here, you can extend your arms completely, and now from here you're going to bring your chest and your knees off the ground and then drop it back on the ground again. Alright, you're going to perform this movement for 60 seconds. Alright Nikki, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Hold for a second, drop it back. Hold for a second, drop it back. Remember to bring your chest and your knees off the ground every single time you lift your upper body up.
This is not just going to work out on your lower back, it's going to also strengthen that glutes, your core as well. It's going to stretch your abdominal muscle and keep going.
If you want to scale this movement down, you can pull your elbows back, and from here you can lift your chest and chin on the floor, and you can keep moving. It works on your shoulder joints as well as you keep going for 60 seconds. Keep moving, guys. Feel those muscles. Every rep, you're doing it. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and you're done.
Great job, guys. Moving on to our fourth movement, that's the Cobra pose. So, how we set this up, we lie down on our chest. From here, you're going to keep your hands right next to your rib cage. From here, toes pointing down on the floor. From here, lift your upper body up and look up and stay there. Now hold this for 60 seconds. Let's go. Stay there, keep breathing.
And again, try not to bend your elbows. Roll your shoulders back. Squeeze those shoulder blades at the back. You get a great stretch on your spine, and you can just hold there. Lower down your hip as much as you can, feeling those stretch. And guys, remember, breathing is very important. Feel that stretch, and you can just inhale and exhale by just closing your eyes. Just stay there.
You feel a good stretch in your core as well. Gonna stretch your hips a little bit as well. Hold it, guys. Stay there, keep breathing.
Another great movement to prevent that low back pain. Come on, guys. Few more seconds. I'm sure you all are feeling that stretch on your abdomen, on your spine, on your lower back. Few more seconds, we are done. In 3, 2, 1, and we are done. Wow.
Lovely.
All right, guys. Before we move on to the last movement, we invite you onto the CureFit app and try out our Cult Live. Here, you can work out with more trainers like us who will guide you in your fitness journey.
If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of our app for 14 days. Okay, let's move on to our last movement. Rahul, go for it.
All right, guys, the last movement is going to be bird dog. The points of performance, starting from here, your palm stays just below your shoulders, your knee stays right under your hip. Starting from here, try not to bend your elbows. You're going to keep your spine straight, keep your head in line with your spine. You're going to bring your elbow to your opposite knee, and you're going to extend your knee and elbow. Guys, make sure that your feet stays in line with your hip and your arm stays in line with your shoulders. All right, we're going to perform 30 seconds on one side, and then we're going to switch side. Yeah, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, guys. Feel your lower back getting engaged, your core getting engaged, and your shoulders, since you're extending your elbows. Keep moving, guys, for 30 seconds on one side.
Keep going. Remember, alternate hand, alternate leg. Keep going. This is going to help you improve your stability. It's also going to help you neutralize your spine.
Few more seconds, we are there. 3, 2, 1, we are done. Now we're going to switch side and perform another 30 seconds on the other side. And guys, if you find this movement a bit challenging, you can bring your fist close to your knee instead of your elbow, and then you can do the extension. Feel those muscles working in every rep. Few more seconds, we are almost there. Last 3, 2, 1, and we are done.
And that brings us to the end of this workout. These 5 exercises will prevent you from getting any lower back pain. For those of you who are already experiencing lower back pain, perform these movements 2 to 3 times a day, and you'll notice your back pain reduce within the first week.
You can perform 3 to 5 rounds in a day to increase the intensity. Add this to your personal workout playlist and come back to do this workout 2 to 3 times a week for a month.
Let us know in the comment section below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit channel, like the video and share it across with your friends and family. Save this video either in your watch later section or create a new playlist so you can come back and do this movement again.
Subscribe to CureFit channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers, guys.